If you've ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we could ever leave our galaxy, then wonder no more because in today's video, we will be answering just that. The question is, can humans ever leave the Milky Way galaxy? And if so, how? A galaxy is a massive collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter held together by the force of gravity. The diameter of the Milky Way is about 100,000 light years, and it would take even the fastest spacecraft that humans have ever built over 1,000 years to traverse just one light year. So leaving the galaxy is going to take a very, very long time. A warp drive is a theoretical vehicle that can travel faster than light by distorting space-time around it. A generational ship is a massive spacecraft that would carry people on a multi-generational journey to another galaxy. This is a technology that is currently in development, which would allow humans to be frozen and then revived at a later date. If we were to develop this technology, it would be possible for us to send humans into deep space and then revive them when they reach their destination. However, this is still many years away, and we don't know if it will ever be possible. On such a ship, people would live, have children, and die while the ship is in transit. We have already sent robotic probes to explore our solar system and beyond. These probes have allowed us to learn more about the universe than we ever could have imagined. In the future, we could send robotic probes carrying genetic information to other galaxies. This would allow us to potentially colonize other galaxies without ever having to leave our own. So by the time the ship reaches its destination, there would be a new generation of humans who have never seen Earth. There are 5 ways that humans might be able to leave the Milky Way galaxy, but the question remains, will we ever do it? And be sure to check out our other videos, which are designed to expand your knowledge of the universe and everything in it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Some people believe that it is our destiny to explore the galaxy and that we will eventually spread throughout the universe. Others believe that we should focus on taking care of our own planet and that we should not bother trying to leave. What do you think? Will humans ever leave the Milky Way galaxy? Let us know in the comments below. It is estimated that it would take over 100,000 years for a generational ship to reach the next galaxy. So this option is really only open to future generations of humans. While this is currently only possible in science fiction movies like Star Trek, who knows what the future may hold? Our sun is just one of almost 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and each star is on average 4 light years away from every other star. Now, because of this vast distance between stars, space travel to leave the galaxy would be extremely difficult. To answer this question, we must first look into what a galaxy actually is. In order to leave the Milky Way, we need to understand how big it is. A wormhole is a theoretical passageway that connects 2 points in space-time. If we were to discover a wormhole near our solar system, then it might be possible for us to travel to another galaxy. However, the chances of this happening are very slim because the nearest galaxy to ours is over 2.5 million light years away. And there are billions of galaxies out there with potentially trillions of planets each. So the odds of finding a wormhole that leads to another galaxy is incredibly small. But there are a few ways that humans might be able to leave the Milky Way galaxy. One way is through the use of wormholes. The second way is through the use of warp drives. The third way is through the use of generational ships. The fourth way is through the use of suspended animation. The fifth way is through the use of robotic probes. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to subscribe so you never miss an upload.